Most people trying to start an AI agency are focusing on the wrong thing. They're chasing the small wins and missing out on the bigger picture. The way most agencies work now is by offering to build tools or systems, like automating customer service with a chatbot or creating AI to predict sales trends. And while there's nothing wrong with doing that, it's only scratching the surface of what you could be doing. The problem with this narrow focus is that you're only targeting businesses that already know about AI and are actively looking to use it. These are the early adopters, people who are already convinced AI is valuable. But here's the thing, they're just a tiny slice of the market. The majority of businesses aren't there yet. They're curious but skeptical, or they don't even realize what AI can do for them. That's where the real opportunity lies, and that's where your AI agency can stand out. Instead of just being a company that builds tools, you can become something much bigger. You can position yourself as an AI transformation partner. What that means is, instead of just creating solutions, you guide businesses through the entire process of adopting AI. You help them understand it, figure out how it fits into their business, build the systems they need, and make sure those systems keep working long-term. To do this, you need to focus on 4 key stages: education, consulting, implementation, and ongoing optimization. In this video, I'll break down this process for you step by step. To make this process clear, I'm going to stick to an example throughout this video. Let's say we're targeting a small e-commerce business called Better Bags, which sells eco-friendly handbags. We want to offer them AI services. How should we go about it? First, let's talk about education. This is the starting point for any business that's new to AI, and it's where most agencies fail to even show up. Think about it. Many business owners, like the one running Better Bags, might have heard of AI, but have no real understanding of how it works or how it could help their business. Maybe they've read about AI automating tasks or boosting sales, but they assume it's too expensive, too complicated, or just not relevant to a smaller operation like theirs. This is where you come in. Your job is to make AI approachable and easy to understand. We could reach out to Better Bags and say, AI could help you predict what products your customers want to buy, improve your marketing, and even manage your inventory so you don't run out of stock. That sounds amazing, right? But the owner of Better Bags might still have no idea what that actually means. So you create simple educational content, maybe blog posts, videos, or even free webinars, explaining how AI works in their industry. You could write an article titled, "How Small E-commerce Stores Can Use AI to Sell More Products," and break down examples they can relate to. For example, you might explain how AI can track customer preferences and suggest new products to them through personalized email campaigns. Posting these articles on social media is great for attracting businesses like Better Bags, and you can also direct them to your resources to educate them. By doing this, you're building trust. You're showing that you understand their business and that AI isn't as intimidating as it seems. Once the business owner feels a little more confident about AI, the next stage is consulting. This is where you take what they've learned and start applying it to their specific situation. For Better Bags, this means sitting down with them, or having a call, to look at their business in detail. You'd ask questions like, where are you struggling? What's taking up too much of your time? What are your biggest goals for the next year? Maybe they tell you that keeping track of inventory is a headache, or that they want to improve customer loyalty. Your job is to listen carefully and figure out where AI can help. At this stage, you're not just throwing out random ideas. You're analyzing their business to identify real use cases for AI. For Better Bags, you might realize that an AI-powered inventory management system could save them time and money by predicting which products will sell out soon. You might also suggest an AI tool that analyzes customer data to recommend products, boosting sales. These are specific, actionable ideas that are tailored to their needs. You'd put all of this into a plan for them, showing exactly how AI could help their business grow. This step alone is incredibly valuable, and many businesses would be happy to pay for this kind of consultation. The third stage is implementation. This is where you take the ideas from the consulting stage and turn them into reality. For Better Bags, you'd now focus on building those AI systems, or partnering with developers to build them. Let's say the owner decides they want the inventory management system and the personalized product recommendations. Your team would create these tools specifically for their business. The inventory system might use sales data to predict when they need to restock certain handbags, while the recommendation system might analyze customer purchase history to suggest products they're likely to love. The key here is that the implementation is based on the plan you created in the consulting stage. By this point, the business owner already understands the value of AI and trusts you to deliver results, so they're much more likely to move forward with these projects. And if you don't have a technical background yourself, that's okay. You can partner with AI developers or freelancers who can handle the technical work. Now, here's where a lot of agencies stop, but this is where the fourth stage comes in: ongoing optimization. AI isn't something you set up once and forget about. It needs regular updates and adjustments to keep running smoothly and delivering the best results. For example, with Better Bags, their AI inventory system might need to be updated with new sales data as their business grows. Or the recommendation system might need fine-tuning to keep up with changing customer trends. By offering maintenance and optimization as part of your service, you're giving your clients long-term value while also creating a steady stream of recurring income for your agency. What's great about this four-stage model is how flexible it is. You can offer the entire journey, from education to maintenance, as a complete package, or you can focus on just one or two stages, depending on what the client needs. For example, maybe Better Bags doesn't need help with implementation because they already have a tech team, but they need someone to consult with and guide them through the process. Or maybe they just want ongoing support for an AI system they've already built. Either way, this model allows you to meet businesses where they are and give them exactly what they need, which makes your agency much more appealing. Another benefit of this approach is that it doesn't limit you to working with early adopters. Remember how I mentioned the technology adoption lifecycle earlier? Most businesses are in the early or late majority. They're interested in AI, but need someone to help them understand it and make it work for them. This model allows you to serve those businesses by meeting them at every stage of their journey. As you work with more businesses, you'll start to notice patterns. You might realize that a lot of e-commerce companies like Better Bags face the same challenges, and you're building similar AI solutions for each one. This opens up an entirely new opportunity: creating your own software products. Let's say you've built 5 different AI inventory systems for e-commerce stores. Instead of starting from scratch every time, you could develop a standardized product that you can sell to multiple clients. This not only saves you time, but also creates a new revenue stream for your agency. Over time, you could build a portfolio of software products tailored to your niche, turning your agency into more than just a service provider. So, let's step back and look at the big picture. By following this 4-stage model: education, consulting, implementation, and optimization, you're creating an agency that serves a much wider audience than most AI businesses. You're not just targeting tech-savvy early adopters, you're helping businesses of all sizes and stages understand and use AI, and you're doing it in a way that builds trust, delivers value, and creates long-term relationships. This approach allows you to grow your agency sustainably while positioning yourself as an essential partner for businesses looking to embrace AI. Will you be applying this process to your AI agency business? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful or interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.